Are you tired of crash diets and extreme exercise routines that promise quick weight loss, but leave you feeling hungry and drained? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're going to explore a different approach to weight loss. One that focuses on developing healthy habits that you can sustain for the long haul. So, buckle up and get ready to discover the 10 healthy habits for weight loss that everyone should try. But first, let's talk about habits. Habits are like the autopilot of our brains. They're automatic, effortless, and happen without us even realizing it. Think about it. Have you ever found yourself mindlessly snacking in front of the TV, even though you're not even hungry? That's a habit in action. But how do habits form? Well, it's all about repetition. When we do something repeatedly in response to a particular cue or context, our brains develop neural pathways that make it easier and more efficient for us to perform that behavior in the future. And before we know it, it becomes a habit. Now, you might be thinking, okay, that's great and all, but how do I actually develop new habits? Well, it's all about making small, sustainable changes to your routine that add up over time. For example, if you want to start eating healthier, you could try swapping out one unhealthy snack for a piece of fruit each day. It might not seem like a big change, but over time, it can make a big difference. And speaking of small changes that make a big difference, let's get into the 10 healthy habits for weight loss that everyone should try. Eat a balanced diet with plenty of fruits, vegetables, proteins, and healthy fats. Make a grocery list and plan your meals for the week ahead of time. Experiment with new recipes that incorporate more fruits, vegetables, proteins, and healthy fats. Keep healthy snacks, like cut-up veggies or a piece of fruit, on hand for when you need a quick and healthy snack. 2. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated. Keep a water bottle with you at all times and make a habit of sipping on it throughout the day. Try adding fresh fruit, like lemon or cucumber slices, to your water for a refreshing twist. Set reminders on your phone or computer to drink water at regular intervals throughout the day. 3. Practice mindful eating by savoring each bite and paying attention to your hunger and fullness cues. Take your time when eating and focus on the flavors, textures, and aromas of your food. Put down your fork between bites and take a few deep breaths to help you slow down and savor each bite. Pause halfway through your meal and assess your hunger and fullness levels. If you're still hungry, go ahead and eat more, but if you're full, stop and save the rest for later. 4. Get enough sleep each night to support healthy metabolism and hormone regulation. Establish a regular bedtime routine that includes relaxing activities, like reading or taking a warm bath. Create a sleep-conducive environment by keeping your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Avoid caffeine, alcohol, and electronics for at least an hour before bedtime to help you wind down and prepare for sleep. 5. Incorporate regular physical activity into your routine, such as walking, jogging, or yoga. Choose activities that you enjoy and that fit into your schedule, whether it's a morning walk or an evening yoga class. Set goals for yourself, such as walking for 30 minutes a day or attending a certain number of fitness classes per week. Make physical activity a social activity by inviting a friend or family member to join you. 6. Limit your intake of processed and sugary foods, which can contribute to inflammation and weight gain. Read food labels carefully and avoid products that are high in added sugars, refined carbohydrates, and salt. Choose whole foods, like fresh fruits and vegetables, proteins, and healthy fats, as the foundation of your diet. Allow yourself the occasional treat, but try to make it a small portion and savor it mindfully. 7. Cook at home more often to have more control over the ingredients in your meals. Invest in basic kitchen equipment, like a good knife, cutting board, and good quality pans and pots. Plan your meals and grocery list ahead of time to ensure you have everything you need to cook at home. Get creative in the kitchen by experimenting with new recipes and flavor combinations. 8. Practice stress-reducing techniques, such as meditation or deep breathing exercises. Make time for self-care activities that help you unwind and reduce stress, like a warm bath or a relaxing massage. Try meditation or deep breathing exercises for just a few minutes each day to help you calm your mind and reduce stress. Connect with others who support your healthy habits and can provide a listening ear when you need to vent. 9. Surround yourself with supportive friends and family members who encourage healthy habits. Seek out friends and family members who share your goals and values around health and wellness. Join a support group or online community focused on healthy habits and weight loss. Set boundaries with people who are not supportive of your healthy habits. 10. Be patient and persistent in your efforts to develop healthy habits for weight loss. Recognize that developing new habits takes time and effort, and that setbacks and slip-ups are a normal part of the process. Focus on progress, not perfection, and celebrate even small successes along the way. Keep a journal or track your progress in some other way to help you stay motivated and accountable. Remember, developing healthy habits is not about depriving yourself or following strict rules. It's about making small, sustainable changes to your lifestyle that will support your health and well-being over the long term. By incorporating these 10 healthy habits into your routine, you'll be well on your way to achieving your weight loss goals and enjoying a happier, healthier life.